If you think you've seen all the coolest gadgets out there, think again. Today, we're counting down some of the smartest, most innovative, and downright amazing tech products you can get your hands on right now. From futuristic desk gadgets and smart home upgrades to portable tech and everyday problem solvers, these inventions are designed to make life easier and a lot more fun. Welcome to RevX, where we bring you the latest and greatest gadgets from around the world. Before we get started, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss the next big gadget trend. And if you see something you like, you'll find links to every product featured in today's video down in the description below. Now, let's dive in. Can't stay focused for more than a few minutes? Meet TickTime, the smart productivity timer designed to help you work smarter, not harder. Using the proven Pomodoro technique, TickTime helps you stay focused with preset work and break intervals. Just flip the timer to instantly start a countdown. No apps, no distractions, and no complicated setup. Its built-in gyroscope lets you switch between popular time presets like 5, 10, 15, 25, or 30 minutes with a simple turn, making it perfect for studying, working, reading, workouts, and daily tasks. Need more flexibility? Create custom countdowns, use stopwatch mode to track progress, or pause and resume whenever you need. Choose from sound, vibration, or silent alerts to match your environment, whether you're in the office, classroom, library, or at home. With a rechargeable battery and compact design, TickTime is always ready to keep you focused, productive, and in control of your time. Work better, focus longer, achieve more with TickTime. Still balancing your phone against random objects? This adjustable phone stand makes life a whole lot easier. Compatible with almost every smartphone and e-reader, it gives you the perfect hands-free viewing angle for videos, FaceTime calls, gaming, recipes, and more. Made from premium aluminum, it's sturdy, stable, and built to last. The non-slip rubber pads keep your device secure while protecting it from scratches. Plus, the foldable design makes it easy to carry anywhere, and it's case-friendly, so there's no need to remove your phone case. Simple, portable, and incredibly useful, this is one desk accessory you'll wonder how you lived without. Imagine carrying a movie theater in your pocket. The Elephas Mini Projector is about the size of a smartphone, making it perfect for movie nights, gaming, and presentations anywhere you go. Despite its compact size, it supports full HD 1080p playback and can project a screen up to 200 inches, turning any wall into a giant display. It comes with a portable tripod for quick setup and features built-in hi-fi speakers for immersive sound without extra equipment. With HDMI, USB, AV, and casting support, you can easily connect laptops, gaming consoles, streaming devices, smartphones, and more. Whether you're hosting an outdoor movie night or creating a portable entertainment setup, this tiny projector delivers big screen fun wherever you are. Small size, big screen, endless entertainment. Keeping up with family schedules can be a challenge, but this smart digital family calendar makes it effortless. Sync Google Calendar, iCloud, Outlook, and more to create one shared hub where everyone can see appointments, tasks, events, and reminders at a glance. It's more than a calendar. Assign chores, track rewards, create shopping lists, and even generate AI-powered meal plans to make family life more organized. Upload your favorite photos and turn the display into a digital family photo frame filled with memories. Smart reminders, weather updates, and automatic night mode help keep everyone on schedule without adding stress. Whether it's in the kitchen, office, or living room, this touchscreen planner keeps the whole family connected, organized, and on the same page. One screen, one schedule. Less chaos. Stop wasting money on disposable compressed air cans. The A-Tengis electric air duster delivers powerful airflow with a high-speed motor reaching up to 41,000 RPM. Whether you're cleaning your PC, keyboard, camera, gaming console, car interior, or other electronics, it blasts away dust quickly and efficiently. The stepless speed control lets you adjust airflow with one hand, giving you complete control for delicate or heavy-duty cleaning jobs. It's rechargeable via USB-C, completely cordless, and lightweight enough to take anywhere. Plus, unlike canned air, it's reusable, eco-friendly, and saves you money over time. Small size, powerful performance, and endless reusability. This is the smarter way to clean your tech.
Still tracking employee hours the old way? The UAttend JR2000 makes workforce management faster, smarter, and more accurate. Powered by a cloud-based system, it automatically tracks employee attendance and gives you real-time access to time records from anywhere using any device. Need payroll done faster? UAttend helps automate payroll processes, reducing manual work and helping eliminate costly errors. Its simple setup interface make it easy for businesses of any size to get started, whether you're managing a small team or a growing workforce. With detailed reports on attendance, productivity, and labor costs, you'll gain valuable insights to help make better business decisions. Plus, automatic cloud backups keep your data secure and accessible whenever you need it. Smart time tracking, simplified payroll, better business management with UAttend. Want an Apple Pencil experience without the Apple Pencil price? This iPad stylus delivers smooth, precise writing and drawing for most iPads released from 2018 to 2026. Its ultra-fine 1.5mm tip gives you accurate control for note-taking, sketching, editing, and everyday navigation with virtually no lag. Thanks to palm rejection technology, you can rest your hand naturally on the screen while writing, just like using real pen and paper. Getting started is simple. Just tap the top button and begin. No complicated pairing required. Plus, a quick charge provides up to 15 hours of use. Compatible with iPad Pro, iPad Air, iPad Mini, and standard iPad models, it's the perfect accessory for students, artists, and professionals. Precise, responsive, and budget-friendly, this stylus is ready to upgrade your iPad experience.
What if one device could upgrade your entire bedside setup? Meet the 4-in-1 Smart Desktop Hub, the ultimate combination of style, convenience, and smart technology. It's more than just a lamp. You get customizable RGB mood lighting with millions of colors, a Bluetooth speaker, a digital clock, a sunrise alarm, and a 15-watt wireless charger all in one sleek design. Set the perfect atmosphere with soothing sounds like rainfall, ocean waves, birdsong, and relaxing melodies. Whether you're working, studying, sleeping, or simply unwinding, it helps create the perfect environment. Wake up naturally with the sunrise alarm feature, which gradually brightens before your alarm goes off for a more refreshing start to your day. Control everything your way using the mobile app, voice commands, remote control, or onboard buttons. Adjust brightness, colors, schedules, and effects with ease. Smart, stylish, and packed with features, this is the all-in-one desk companion your setup has been waiting for. This tiny gadget can see what your eyes can't. Meet the pocket-sized thermal camera that's small enough to fit on your keychain, but powerful enough to uncover hidden problems. Just turn it on and start scanning. No apps, Wi-Fi, or complicated setup required. The built-in touchscreen makes it incredibly easy to use, even for beginners. Whether you're checking for water leaks behind walls, finding insulation gaps, diagnosing HVAC issues, or monitoring temperature changes, this thermal camera helps you spot problems before they become expensive repairs. Its real-time thermal imaging instantly reveals heat differences that are invisible to the naked eye, making inspections faster and more accurate. Perfect for homeowners, DIY enthusiasts, travelers, and technicians, it's also useful for outdoor adventures and general troubleshooting on the go. Small enough to carry anywhere, smart enough to save you time, money, and headaches.
Want to start digital art without spending a fortune?
The UGE M708 V3 drawing tablet delivers professional-level features at a beginner-friendly price. With a large 10 by 6-inch drawing area and a smooth paper-like surface, it gives you plenty of room to sketch, paint, and create with natural precision. The battery-free stylus features an incredible 16,384 levels of pressure sensitivity, allowing you to draw everything from ultra-fine details to bold, expressive strokes with complete control. Need faster workflow? The tablet includes 8 customizable shortcut keys for tools like zoom, undo, brush size adjustment, and more, helping you create more efficiently. Compatible with Windows, Mac, Android, Chrome OS, and Linux, it works seamlessly with popular creative software, including Photoshop, Illustrator, ZBrush, Blender, and many others. Whether you're a beginner, student, hobbyist, or aspiring professional artist, the UGE M708 V3 gives you the tools to bring your imagination to life. Create more, draw better. Start your digital art journey today. Still running out of storage while shooting videos on your iPhone? This ultra-fast portable SSD is built for creators who need speed, reliability, and serious storage on the go. With blazing transfer speeds up to 990 megabytes per second, you can record Apple ProRes 4K 60 FPS directly from your iPhone without dropped frames or annoying lag. Transfer massive video files and thousands of photos in seconds. A built-in silent cooling fan keeps performance stable during long recording sessions, while the LCD display gives you instant access to connection status and storage activity. Need power while filming? The USB-C port supports PD charging, allowing you to charge your phone and connect accessories like wireless microphones or USB hubs at the same time. Compact enough to fit in your pocket and compatible with iPhone, Android, iPad, Mac, Windows, cameras, and even PS5, this SSD transforms any device into a portable production studio. Fast, powerful, and creator-ready, this is storage built for the future.
Imagine pointing a pen at any text and instantly hearing it read aloud or translated into another language. That's exactly what this smart scanning translator pen can do. Using advanced OCR technology, it scans words and sentences, converts them into speech, and translates them in real time, making reading and learning easier than ever. With support for 142 languages, you can translate books, documents, labels, menus, magazines, and even text on digital screens in seconds. Need to save important information? Simply scan and extract text directly to your phone for editing, studying, or sharing later. It can even translate text from photos and record meetings, interviews, or conversations for quick reference. Compact, portable, and packed with smart features, this is the perfect tool for students, travelers, professionals, and language learners. Read smarter, learn faster, communicate anywhere. What if your fitness tracker didn't look like a fitness tracker? Meet the Samsung Galaxy Ring, a powerful health tracker packed into a sleek ring you'll barely notice wearing. Designed for all-day comfort, it's lightweight, stylish, and fits seamlessly into your lifestyle, whether you're at the gym, in the office, or out with friends. While you go about your day, Galaxy Ring automatically tracks your activity, workouts, and sleep, giving you valuable insights without needing to tap a screen or press a button. Its durable design helps resist everyday scratches, and it's water-resistant, so you can wear it through workouts, rain, and daily adventures. The best part? It feels so natural on your finger that you may forget you're wearing it, while it continuously works behind the scenes to help you understand your health better. Small ring, powerful insights. The future of wearable technology is here. Ever wondered what everyday objects look like up close? This digital microscope reveals an entirely new world of detail. Featuring a large 4.3-inch HD display, it lets you view tiny objects in real time without squinting through traditional microscope lenses. From coins and jewelry to circuit boards and stamps, every detail becomes crystal clear. The adjustable stand helps you find the perfect viewing angle, while 8 built-in LED lights ensure bright, sharp images even in low light conditions. Need a bigger view? Connect it to your PC or Mac to display images on a larger screen, making inspections, repairs, and learning even easier. With a rechargeable battery providing up to 3 hours of use, it's perfect for hobbyists, collectors, students, and DIY enthusiasts. Small device, huge discoveries. See the world like never before.
This might be the coolest USB gadget for your desk. At first glance, it looks like a simple mini fan, but once it starts spinning, it displays a bright LED clock right in the air. Just plug it into any USB port on your laptop, PC, or power bank and enjoy a refreshing breeze while keeping track of the time. The flexible gooseneck lets you bend and position the fan exactly where you need it, whether you're working, gaming, or studying. Macy blades, it's safe to use and designed for everyday convenience. No drivers, no setup, just plug and play. A fan, a clock, and a conversation starter all in one compact gadget. Perfect for any desk setup.
Tired of your coffee getting cold before you finish it? Meet the Next Mug, the smart mug that keeps every sip at the perfect temperature. Choose from 3 heat settings, warm, hot, or piping hot, and enjoy your coffee, tea, or favorite drink exactly the way you like it for hours. Unlike other smart mugs, Next Mug is incredibly simple to use. Just press a button to power it on and select your temperature. No apps, passwords, or complicated setup required. Built-in smart technology continuously maintains your chosen temperature, while LED indicators show battery life and heat status at a glance. It also includes a spill-resistant lid and charging coaster, making it perfect for your desk, home office, or morning routine. If you love hot coffee from the first sip to the last, the Next Mug might be the upgrade you've been waiting for.
Still relying on a basic rear-view mirror? Upgrade to the Wolfbox G850 Smart Mirror Dashcam. Featuring a massive 12-inch display, a true 4K front camera, and a WDR rear camera, it captures crystal-clear footage day and night, making license plates and road signs easy to see. With built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, you can instantly connect to your smartphone, view recordings, and download videos without removing the memory card. Need hands-free control? Simply use voice commands to start recording, take photos, or switch camera views while keeping your focus on the road. Advanced night vision and WDR technology help deliver clear footage even in low light conditions, while loop recording, collision detection, and parking monitoring provide extra peace of mind. Smarter, safer, and packed with premium features, the Wolfbox G850 is like giving your car a high-tech upgrade.